Article 277 of the Indian Constitution deals with the continuation of taxes, duties, cesses, or fees that were being lawfully levied before the commencement of the Constitution. Here's a detailed explanation. Key points of Article 277. Pre-Constitution taxes. This article applies to taxes, duties, cesses, or fees that were already being levied by the government of a state, a municipality, or other local authorities before the Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Continuation despite Union list. Even if these taxes are now listed under the Union list, which typically means the central government has exclusive power to legislate on them, they can still continue to be levied by the state or local authority as they were before. Purpose remains the same. These taxes or fees must continue to be used for the same purposes for which they were originally intended, example, development or maintenance of a local area or municipal needs. Parliament's power to modify. This continuation is subject to the Parliament's authority. If Parliament passes a law that explicitly changes or stops the levy of such taxes, duties, cesses, or fees, the provisions of that law will prevail. Objective of Article 277. To ensure a smooth transition during the shift from the pre-constitution system to the constitutional framework. It provides a mechanism to avoid disruption in revenue collection and services by allowing states and local bodies to temporarily continue levying taxes that might now fall under the Union's jurisdiction. This provision acts as a savings clause, preserving pre-existing tax arrangements unless overridden by parliamentary legislation. Example for clarity. Suppose, before the Constitution came into force, a municipality in a state was collecting a property tax for municipal development. Even if property taxes are now listed in a category controlled by the Union or state, the municipality can continue to collect the tax and use it for the same purpose until Parliament decides otherwise. This article reflects the balance of financial powers between the Union and the states during the formative years of the Constitution. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 1, Finance. Distribution of revenues between the Union and the states. Article 277. Savings. Any taxes, duties, cesses or fees which, immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, were being lawfully levied by the government of any state or by any municipality or other local authority or body for the purposes of the state, municipality, district or other local area may, notwithstanding that those taxes, duties, cesses or fees are mentioned in the Union list, continue to be levied and to be applied to the same purposes until provision to the contrary is made by Parliament. By law,